Today we convert this simple picture into an amazing poster like this. Let's start. First take a strawberry image. Then select the object by object selection tool and remove the background. Now make the selection by rectangular marquee tool and enter. Cut the selected part and paste in new layer. Repeat the process for all slices. Adjust the position of the slices. Take a PNG image of tomato slice. Adjust the position of tomato slice and put it on the strawberry slice. Now take an image of orange slice and remove the background or take a PNG image. Adjust the position of orange slice and put it on the strawberry slice. Take a PNG image of kiwi slice for poster design. Adjust the position. Repeat the same process for the upper slice and adjust it. Make the groups of related layer for easy work management. Take a new layer for background. Take gradient tool for background. Gradient color. Choose radial gradient. We can change the background color as we desired. Adjust the gradient color range. And we can also add or remove any color. Now we add some related image. For background, we take the slices of tomato, orange, and kiwi and adjust their positions to make it eye-catching and cool. After adjusting the positions, now we will Apply Gaussian blur for blurry effect. Adjust the value of blur as required. Add water splash in background and cool poster is ready.